Hi everyone, this is Group 6 presenting to you our Universal Quiz Game, and throughout this session we are going to tackle about the importance and advantages of engaging to online quiz games such as our Universal Quiz Games. And the objective of this session is to have you learn on how do online quizzes improves your learning capacity. So let's proceed to the system architecture of our universal quiz game. So in user interface, as you can see here, we have a visual showing you about the functions of our universal quiz games. There are individuals operating the quiz game, the admin and the user. The admin are responsible for creating or adding new quizzes to the quiz games for the user to choose, answer, and enjoy the quizzes that they take based on their tastes and interests. And the admins are also the one who make the tool that will allow the students or the users to view their overall quiz results. And now let's go to the services. Here you can see the tools that are responsible for allowing the students to see their tracks and results for their past quizzes, for them to be able to view their progress or improvement for taking the same or different quizzes in the universal quiz game. And the tools that I'm talking about are the grading curve and graph results. And the get quiz list here is the tools that the admin used in order to place the list of quizzes that the admin wants for the user to take such quizzes. And finally, the data store. And the data store is the main container of our universal quiz game, and it is the place where all of the data used for the creation of our universal quiz games are all stored here. Yeah, so that's all, and thank you guys for listening, and let's proceed to the next reporter.
Welcome to the process flow of our system. It starts at the input phase. This is where it began with the concept of the universal quiz game. This step is all about gathering the foundational elements. And we start by collecting data which sets the stage for everything else. Next, we focus on the survey question. These questions are designed to get a deep understanding of what users' opinion on the system we want to create. With this valuable feedback, we can tailor the games to meet their preferences. To manage the information we gather, we define record and data types. This helps us organize data efficiently, making sure every piece of information is accessible and useful. Next is the player's identity, which is crucial to our system. We capture who the players are so we can personalize their experience, making the game more engaging for each individual. With the pointing system, we establish how players will earn and track points. This system motivates and rewards players, adding an exciting layer of competition. Understanding our players is the core of our development. We analyze their needs and behaviors to ensure the game is fun and engaging for them. We also have the review of related literature or RRL. By looking at that, what was worked well in other games and current industry trends, we can integrate proven strategies and innovative ideas to our system. Now we move into process phase, where we bring the game to life using the Agile methodology method in SDL or Software Development Lifecycle. This approach allows us to develop the game in small, manageable steps, constantly improving and adapting based on feedback. Next to the process phase is the output phase. In this phase, the universal quiz game starts to take shape. We focus on crafting an exceptional user experience with several key components. First, we create a captivating UI and UX design, or user interface and user experience design. This ensures the game is visually appealing and easy to navigate, providing players with a seamless experience. Using React, we build dynamic and responsive interfaces. This technology helps us deliver a smooth and interacting gaming experience, then carefully managing components and state in our React framework. This means we can keep track of all the elements and their interactions, ensuring the game runs smoothly. Then fetching and handling data is vital to keep the game updated and responsive. We make sure the data flows seamlessly, allowing real-time interaction and updates. Then, the game logic and interaction defines how the game works. We set up rules and responses to make sure the game is fair, challenging, and enjoyable. And to maintain a smooth experience, we implement error handling. This ensures that any issues are quickly resolved, keeping the game running without hiccups. Next to that is the security, which is a top priority. We take all necessary steps to protect players' data and ensures a safe gaming environment. Finally, we incorporate responsive design that allows the game to adapt to different devices and screen sizes, offering a consistent experience whether you're on a mobile phone, tablet, or computer. Next to that is the feedback phase. Throughout this journey, feedback plays a critical role. We actively seek feedback from users at each stage to fine tune and enhance the game. This feedback may not only helps us refine the input stage, but also drives improvement in final outputs. In essence, our development process is a dynamic and continuous loop guided by agile methodology method in SDL and driven by user feedback. This approach ensures that our universal quiz game not only means but exceeds players' expectation, offering a fun, engaging, and secure experience.
Hi, I'm Ariana, and today we will be discussing the conceptual framework before and after implementation for our universal quiz game, designing a gamified quiz platform for knowledge and stock retention for BSCS students. So, first of all, on default, students are engaging in a traditional learning way or learning where students engage in learning through lectures, textbooks, and standard quizzes or exams. So, quizzes are often seen as monotonous by students, leading to a lack of engagement and motivation. Are also delayed, reducing the effectiveness of immediate learning corrections. So, due to this, a lot of problems are being identified to find solutions. So, first of all, is low student engagement and motivation, and effective feedback mechanisms, limited interactive and collaborative learning opportunities. So, because of this, one of the solutions we need to gather is to seek engaging and interactive learning experiences for students. As for teachers, they need effective tools to assess student engagement, understanding, and provide timely feedback. As for educational institutions, they might aim to improve learning outcomes and student satisfaction. So after the implementation of the gamified grids platform, here is the proposed state. So we propose to design a gamified quiz platform, an interactive online platform that incorporates game elements into quizzes to enhance learning and engagement among students. So features include points, badges, leaderboards, and instant feedback. So to support collaborative and competitive learning through multiplayer quizzes, and challenges. So as for its components and interactions, in the user interface, engaging and user-friendly interface with visual auditory feedback. As for Quiz Engine, it handles quiz recreation, management, and execution of the program with various question types, multiple choice, roll call, etc. And as for the gamification module, it implements the game elements like points, badges, and leaderboards to motivate users. As for the feedback system, we make sure that it gives feedback fast, like it provides instant feedback on quiz performance, highlighting areas of strengths and improvements. So, as for the social and collaborative features, it enables users to challenge friends, join groups, and participate in game quizzes. So, one of the benefits this includes is increased student engagement and motivation through gamified elements, improved learning outcomes due to immediate feedback and iterative learning, enhanced collaborative and competitive learning experiences. Because of this, students will be more engaged, motivated through interactive and fun learning. Teachers will also have better assessment tools and ability to provide timely feedback, and the educational institutions will improve overall their student performance and satisfaction.
So let's go. This is our system and this is our quiz game. So this is the user and admin interface. So let's create an account. So let's say male, gender. But before that, we can fill out this form and before you go in a user interface. So let's go. Let's say CCC, email, miles, mobile number. You can use any mobile number or artificial number because this is confidential. So let's go. So we're gonna sign up. So before you can go in the user interface, there is a notification pop-up in in your in your screen. This notification is about being hacked or being use your account in some bad way. So we can create that. So that's because many hackers can hack now. So we create a data breach code. So let's go. As we can see, we are in the user interface. So as we can see in dashboard, we can see home, history, ranking, and sign out. So let's go to the home. As we can see into the home, we have 6 quiz that gonna take. So let's gonna start some quiz. So as we can see in the quiz, we can see the multiple choice in the question. So let's gonna answer this and that. So as we can see, as you finish answering the question, there is the result under the way. You can see your mistakes and right answers in ending your quiz or reviewer. So we're gonna go in the admin area because that's the interface that we can modify this and see the standing of your scores. Maybe we can see in the rank, but in the admin area is more compatible than the user. So we're gonna add log into our admin. Oh, as you can see, there is a notification from your screen again. So in the admin, there is no particular in the dashboard. But in the admin, you can modify the quiz and the user. You can delete the user after answering the quiz. And as we can see, we can see the ranking of the student that taking the quiz. And we have some feedback in our admin area. So this is the best part. We can add and remove the quiz. You can add the quiz or remove the quiz. Example, this Linux and file manage, we can remove it from your quiz system. So that's gonna disappear in your home admin dashboard. So from the back end, we can see the admin, answer, feedback, history, options, question, quiz, rank, and user. In the admin, there are two particular reasons. They are particular user. The admin and the user. And for the feedback, we know all the feedback, so there's nothing from that feedback. And this the more exciting part is the rank. This is more crucial part because as you can see, the time and the score and the email that the user in bold are going to our database. And the users actually are going in this database too. As you can see, Miles logged in and added to our database. So that's all for our simple quiz game. I hope this game refresh and being helpful to our CS student in the CCC community. And that's all. Thank you. To sign up in this. Thank you very much.